ready to turn your phone into a profit-generating machine. Today, we're diving deep into pocket option and covering strategies to help you make real money, not just chase empty promises first. Risk management is paramount. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. A good rule of thumb is to only invest 12% of your total account balance on a single trade. This protects you from wiping out your account with one bad decision. Next up, asset selection. Don't blindly trade everything. Focus on a few assets you understand. Research their price history, understand the factors that influence their price, and become an expert in predicting their movements. Pocket option offers currencies, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, so choose wisely. Now, let's talk about leveraging market trends. Identify uptrends and downtrends using tools like moving averages and trend lines. Trade in the direction of the trend for a higher probability of success. For instance, if you see a clear uptrend on a stock, consider buying a call option before placing a trade. Always analyze the chart using technical indicators like the relative strength index RSI or moving average convergence divergence. These can provide valuable insights into potential entry and exit points. Set realistic profit targets and stop-loss orders to manage risk and secure your gains. Remember, consistent profitability takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged by losses. View them as learning opportunities. Continuously refine your strategy based on market conditions and your own experiences. By mastering risk management, focusing on asset selection, and leveraging market trends, you can significantly improve your trading outcomes on Pocket Options. Subscribe for more in-depth trading tutorials and strategies. Good luck and happy trading.